Hello! In today's video, we will explore lots of unknown and fascinating facts about India. So let's begin. Do you know Asia's cleanest village is in Meghalaya, India, named Molinong? It is also called God's own garden because of the same reason. Not only cleanliness, it also has 100% literacy rate and great efforts are being taken for women empowerment. During rains, this place becomes even more breathtaking with a picturesque view. Lucknow, the capital of Uttar Pradesh, has world's largest school named City Montessori School. It has its name mentioned in Guinness Book of World Records with almost 2,500 teachers who teach over 44,000 students annually in 1,000 classrooms. World's highest post office at a height of 15,550 feet is also situated in India in a small village called Hikim in Spiti Valley, Himachal Pradesh. It connects a number of villages in the vicinity where villagers get connected to the rest of the world through mails. It is in operation since the year 1774, which means it is almost 247 years old. Another interesting fact about the Himalayan range here is that every year it grows taller by 2 inches. No, there is no miracle behind it. Actually, this whole phenomenon happens due to the shifting of tectonic plates, which also cause Himalayas to grow sidewards and fall under its own weight. India is the birthplace of some mostly followed religions in the world, namely Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism. These 4 religions are followed by almost 25% of world's population. Sikhism was originated in Amritsar, a city in Punjab. Jainism was founded in around 600 BC and Buddhism in 500 BC. Another religion, Islam, is India's and world's second largest religion, and the oldest European church is in the city of Kochi and was built in the year 1503. The Holy Shrine Golden Temple in Amritsar, Punjab, is the most visited religious place in the world and is one of the most dazzling architectural monuments. On an average, almost 1 lakh devotees visit the shrine every day, which keeps on increasing day by day. And during special functions like Guru Purab and Baisakhi, the number doubles. Every day, it serves simple vegetarian meal to all the visitors, which is called langar. India is also home to the biggest family in the world, consisting of 181 family members. Mr. Zaina Chana is the head of the family with 39 wives, 94 children, 14 daughter-in-laws and 34 grandchildren. They live in a 100-room mansion in a village named Batwang in Mizoram. It is also interesting to know that there is a temple dedicated to rats in Rajasthan, which is called the Karni Mata Temple. Thousands of rats live here and people visiting here consider them as their ancestors, worship them just like gods and offer milk and other foods to eat. India is home to the origin of an interesting game of Kabaddi, which is being played between 2 teams. And what is more interesting to know that men Kabaddi team has won 7 out of 8 world championships and women Kabaddi team has won all the World Cups and still remains undefeated. Not widely known, but first ever shampoo was used in India only by the locals. They used dried gooseberry mixed with other natural herbs to wash the hair and keep clean. The same recipe with some minute changes is still being used in many households. The word shampoo is derived from the Hindi word champu, which means to press or knead the muscles. India has the largest postal network in the world with over 155,000 post offices. In this category, it also boasts to have a floating post office built on a houseboat located in Dal Lake in Srinagar and was inaugurated in the year 2011. It has two small rooms where one serves as the office and the other a small museum which shows the history of the state postal department. And finally, India is the place of many religious festivals, but one which is considered the biggest and gathers everyone's attention is the Kumbh Mela. It is the largest gathering on the earth, and the crowd here is visible in satellite photo taken from the space. Though the celebration happens every year, but the one celebrated in every 4-year and 12-year intervals is considered to be of great significance. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. We will meet again in another video with some other great facts. Till then, stay connected, stay safe.